To get the most out of a Santander graduate account, it is essential to understand the benefits and features that come with it. First, consider the interest-free overdraft facility, which can be a lifesaver when you are starting your career and may be on a tight budget. Santander offers an interest-free overdraft of up to £2,000 for the first year after graduation and up to £1,500 for the next 2 years. To manage your overdraft effectively, make sure you keep track of your spending and stay within the agreed limit to avoid any unexpected charges. It is also important to note that the overdraft is repayable on demand, so it is crucial to have a plan in place to pay it back. Another key feature of the Santander graduate account is the ability to earn cashback on your everyday spending. With the Santander 123 Student and Graduate Current Account, you can earn up to 3% cashback on household bills and up to 1% on other purchases. To maximize your cashback earnings, make sure you use your account for all your daily spending and take advantage of the cashback offers. In addition to the interest-free overdraft and cashback benefits, the Santander graduate account also comes with a range of other perks such as travel insurance and mobile phone insurance. To get the most out of these benefits, make sure you read the terms and conditions carefully and understand what is covered and what is not. To stay on top of your finances with your Santander graduate account, make sure you set up online banking and mobile banking to keep track of your spending and stay in control of your account. You can also set up alerts and notifications to remind you of upcoming payments and low balance warnings. Finally, to avoid any potential pitfalls with your Santander graduate account, make sure you understand the fees and charges associated with the account. This includes any overdraft fees, interest charges, and foreign transaction fees. By being aware of these fees, you can avoid any unexpected charges and make the most out of your graduate account. By following these tips, you can get the most out of your Santander graduate account and set yourself up for financial success as you start your career. Remember to stay on top of your spending, keep track of your overdraft, and take advantage of the cashback benefits to make the most out of your account.